Hello students, Dr. Mims here. I'm going to help by providing a spreadsheet to first work through the Widgets Inc. problem on page 72 in the MMGG 2020 book. It's not really a yellow highlighted case like we normally see. It's just simply there on the middle of the page to begin a very simple example of how to calculate break-even in numbers and break-even in dollars. So the case says, assume Widgets sells each widget for $15. Notice I have put the unit selling price here, and I've called it out to you so you can also see it when you review the Excel. And I place $15 in cell B4, okay, and formatted it for dollar signs. And it says each widget costs $10 in materials and labor. So that's the unit variable cost, and it is costing $10. So you can see these are two input numbers. Now we need to calculate $C. $C, we call it, it's written as a dollar sign and a capital C, is the dollar contribution when the unit variable cost is subtracted from the unit selling price. So another way to look at it is revenues minus direct cost of goods sold equals margin. Okay, so we have $C, and we have now created a little equation that subtracts $10 from $15, and we hit enter. Okay, then we're given total fixed cost, but notice in the case it just says all other expenses total $30,000. So we're going to use that number as total fixed costs, and that is $30,000. And then we're going to start with the first question, which is how many widgets must be sold to cover total fixed costs. So I've written in A13 what I'm going to solve for, the number at the break-even point of widgets that covers all total fixed costs. And the answer here is by taking $30,000 and dividing it by $C. So let me show you that again. That is the total fixed cost divided by $C. And that gives us the number of widgets. You can see number right there. Okay, then question 2 will be, what is the revenue? And let's just put that a dollar sign there. What is the revenue or total sales dollars at break-even point? Well, we know the break-even point is at 6,000 units, and the dollar break-even point is going to be the unit selling price times the number of units at break-even. So that would be B13 times B4 in this case. But basically this builds the formula that you can use all the time given any numbers. The question 3, and one that's going to be important for your final case that you have to do completely on your own, is prepare a break-even graph. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to start a video on just the break-even graph. Thank you.